Two birds' nests. Two bird friends, Chinky and Pinky, lived in a big tree. They both made their own cozy homes there. Chinky was hard-working. She added twigs every day, making the nest strong. Pinky was lazy, she thought. "Oh, I'll do it tomorrow." Gradually, the rainy season arrived. Strong wind blew and the tree started shaking. Chinky's nest was strong, she sat in it comfortably. But Pinky's nest broke and she started getting wet. Pinky said, crying, "If only I had worked hard in time." Chinky gave her a place in her nest and said, "Friendship means helping each other, but remember, a house and life are made strong only through hard work." Pinky gave up laziness from that day and started working hard. Moral of the story: success and security are achieved only through hard work. Friendship means helping, but it is also necessary to be hardworking yourself. Thank you so much for watching, kids. See you soon with new stories. Please subscribe, share, and like.